Here's a list of numbers. I've got -9, -5, -3, -1, 0, 3, 4, and 6. Several of these, I think a couple of these questions, you got a couple of different possible answers. Two numbers from the list that add up to 5. So none of the positive numbers together are going to add up to 5, so I know I'm going to have to use negative numbers. And to get to 5, the only positive number big enough is this 6. If I put that together with -1, I get to 5. So my answer is -1 and 6. Could be either way round for that one. Write down two numbers from the list that have a difference of 13. So 13 between any two of these numbers. And I'm just checking them all. And I think the only ones that work here are -9 and +4. If I add 9 to -9, I'm at 0, plus another 4 is 13. So the difference between -9 and 4 is 13. Use 3 different numbers from the list to make the following calculation correct. I think this is the one where you could have different answers. So if you've got something else but it's correct, that could be possible. So it's quite tricky to see, right? So I'm going to have a look, and if I divide by, let's take 20, divide by perhaps -5, does that work? If I divide that by -5, then this here comes to -4. So I need to find a way to make the other part equal -4. And I can do that by taking 4 and dividing that by -1. That also gives me -4. An alternate solution to this is if you do 20 divided by 4, that gives you 5. And you can get 5 by doing -5 times by -1. So that's another possibility for this question.